Start by determining the overall light source position, assuming the light comes from the upper right. Lightly sketch the placement of each object and ensure their relationships are natural. Pay attention to the curved shape of the violin, the reflection in the wine bottle, and the glossiness of the fruits, arranging them harmoniously in the composition. Violin. Use warm tones like brown, dark brown, and gold to lay down the base color for the violin. Gradually add darker tones to emphasize the shadowed areas, especially in the indentations of the body and neck. Red wine. Use dark green or brown for the bottle and deep red or wine-colored tones for the liquid. Focus on the transparency of the liquid, leaving some white space to highlight the reflection. Make the bottle's shadowed areas darker to create depth. Banana. Transition from yellow to green to depict the banana's peel, using gradient techniques to show its curved shape and enhance the shadows, especially at the base of the banana. Book. Use colors like red, dark blue, or brown for the book cover, paying attention to folds and light shadow contrasts to add dimension. Strawberries and apples. For the strawberry, use red and green tones with smooth gradient transitions to show its fullness. For the apple, use green and yellow tones, ensuring smooth transitions and highlighting details. Light and shadow. Use gradient techniques to smoothly transition the colors of each object, especially on curved and uneven surfaces, to depict the relationship between light and shadow. Detailing. Focus on the texture of the fruits, such as the seeds on the strawberry, the texture of the banana peel, and the glossiness of the apple. Add fine details, like the violins, strings, and the edges of the book's pages. Adjust the shadows of each object according to the light source, ensuring they are natural and layered. The shadows on the book and violin may be more complex and require careful rendering of their contact points with the surface. The reflections on the wine bottle and subtle reflections between the fruits should be handled with detailed gradients. Finally, review the overall color layers and details, ensuring smooth transitions, appropriate shadow depth, and coordinated reflections and light effects between objects. Refine details through erasing and layering to ensure the composition has sufficient depth and a three-dimensional feel.